All right, guys. Elegear sent us their Ultralight Thermal Sleeping Pad, and we're super excited about it. This is their R9 version. So I don't know about you, but if you sleep in cold weather, this is going to be the way to go. It has this high insulation plus comfort. It is portable and it is weather shielded, which is super important. Let's go ahead and take out the old one and our blanket that we have and see what Elegear has got. Now for R9, I will tell you this is super thin. So at the end of the day, we got one sitting right here, and it was definitely a lot bigger. So let's go ahead and pop that off to the side. We got our bag for our blanket, and let's see if we can pop off our blanket in unit. Try to get the next one in. Can you slide this one out for me? All right, so that is our standard unit right here. As you can see, nice and big and thick, but not a 9 value. So let's go ahead and pop that out of the way, and we're gonna see our next one right here. So, comes in a nice bag and pretty light, again, for a 9R value. Let's go ahead and see. Yeah, it is a bag. We have our instructions here on how to make it happen. And you can inflate and deflate on its own. That's pretty cool. You have your airbag to inflate it. So we're going to test that. Yeah, that's our airbag to actually inflate it. So let's go and pop this open. So it comes this way so that it is going to be protected, which makes it super, super simple. Let's go and open this guy all the way up. Da, 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 da. And shazam. So here's our unit. That's all you needed. So if you had an ability to pump something up, you wouldn't need anything other than this in your case, which makes it nice. Let's go ahead and open this guy all the way up. You do have some patches in here if you need to, so you can patch it up. If you ever got a hole in it, pop that off to the side, and go ahead and find our air hole. So, right there on the end. So let's go ahead and move this down here, and we're going to follow the instructions. So we get to use our bag to do the inflation, which makes it really nice. So we're going to be able to connect these two pieces. Let's go ahead and move this down here. Thank you, sweetheart. Got my helper here. She loves doing this stuff. So we're going to pop in this, and we're going to open our one section. So you got the main piece in. You're going to open your one section. Now on your other piece, which is your bag, you're going to take and pop that in the hole right there, which makes it super simple. Okay? Now right here, we are going to be able to look at that, already blowing it up. So it comes, like I said, with its own version. So we already got air in it, which makes it super simple. You don't have to have any pump right there or nothing else. So you can take and do this over and over and over again. I would say we're good a couple minutes out and you get this bad boy up and running without any problems. All right, so we're finishing up. As you can see, we got everything in. I got the last little piece right there. All we're going to do is we're going to remove this one. Now we can pop this on, and we are good to go. So our bag is ready, which makes it simple. You can see how nice and malleable this is. Going to be super comfortable. I'm going to go ahead and lay on it. If you want to, what's also really nice here is you can use this bag. If you close up this bag right here, you can use this as a pillow. So you just pop in your end and see if we get some extra air in here, just like so. And if I needed to, I can use this as a pillow as well, which I love that aspect. So here we go. We have our integrated pillow to go along with our sleeping pad. Remember, R9 value, going to be comfortable in everything you possibly need. So while you're out on the hike, maybe you're just camping locally, whatever it might be. Now you can see, I don't know if you can notice this, about 200 pounds, 190, 200 pounds given day. And with that, I'm not touching the ground while on it. So this gives me definitely, it's like a good 1.5 inches, 2 inches of space off the ground. So definitely really comfortable overall. Even when I sit up, I'm not actually touching the ground. So I'm not on the ground itself. So it's got a great insulation kind of holding me from it. So super nice. Loving this unit. This is the Elegear. And let's see, what do you think? Is that comfortable?
Yeah.
Definitely. So guys, what you got to do, as always, check it out.